Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to create a birthday invitation card, either to sell it on other platforms like Etsy, Shopify, etc., or for your own birthday or friends or kids' birthday celebration. So first of all, there are two types of birthday invitations. So like a printed one, and its size is here on Canva 5 times 7 inches. So I'm gonna show you today how to create a birthday invitation on Canva and on a free version. Also, there's a mobile invitation card which is really popular right now, and you can make an animated ones. So I'm gonna show you that too later in this video. So now let's get started on 5 times 7 inches birthday invitation. You just basically create a design here, click create and design here, write down the width and height and create new design. Now you can either use some templates and search for a free version one. As you can see, there are quite beautiful ones if you don't have time and you actually like this one. But we can do everything from scratch, of course. So first of all, what you want to do, you want to know your theme. So for example, let's choose a theme, maybe Halloween. Let's choose graphics. As you can see, there are many paid ones, but I'm just gonna choose free ones to show you in this video. For example, we're just gonna get started and create some kind of a design. Let's add maybe some color to it. For example, something like that. So maybe let's write down the text. Join us to celebrate. Let's make it smaller and let's change the font to maybe this one, and let's turn off the bold filter. So for example, we're just gonna create something like that, join us to celebrate, and then you're gonna write down a name. So for example, Oliver's. Let's change the font also to something like that. Let's make it bigger. And then you write down which birthday. So for example, 10th birthday. Then you write down the date. So for example, 28. Or let's write down November, for example. The time would be 6 p.m. for example. I just changed the graphics to make it more beautiful. You can also change, of course, the background. There's lots of things you can change here. You can change the fonts all at once. And yeah, so that's basically how you can edit you can add whatever you like from Canva free version. If you already have a pro version, that's great. You can use the paid ones. Also, you can add effects here. So for example, let's add some outline. This would look way better. So we can add outline on every single word, on every single sentence. And yeah, after you are happy with your design, you can just basically click on share, then click on download. You can download it as PNG, but if you're gonna print it, I suggest to use PDF print or PDF standard. And then you choose the page you want to download and you click on download. Now, you can of course also use the templates. It's actually way better if you are happy with the design of the template. So for example, you are invited to, and you just basically change the date, the name, the place of your birthday party, and yeah, that's basically how you do the birthday invitation. And now I'm going to show you how to do a birthday invitation, which is a digital one, and you can actually animate it, make it move, and so on. So you want to change the width and height to pixels, and now you're just gonna write down 10080 and 1920. After that, you're just gonna click on create design, and now you can create a mobile version. So for example, I'm just gonna copy the design. Let's choose this one. It's just way quicker. For example, let's make it something like that. You can edit everything you want. I'm just gonna show you quickly what you can do here on mobile version. So mobile version would be you create a design, and after that you just basically gonna click right here and you can copy the link, or you can you can just basically click on view only link, and this like this, the person you will send your invitation, mobile invitation to, will just basically see the invitation and so on. So now let's just make some animations. So as you can see, you can make lots of animations here, and we're gonna choose something. For example, let's choose pop, and you can also add some motion effects. So let's make it wiggle, and also do this the same for this one, maybe for this one too. Also, let's make it let's make the same for the writing. So let's make it pop, and we can also add some movement. So now I'm just gonna play the video. As you can see, it moves, and when you will send the link, you're gonna see the person you sent it to gonna see this. So I'm just gonna copy the link and show you. So as you can see, the person will see your invitation. So that's how it's done. You can either print, for example, your created design, or you can do a mobile version and send it to the person with a view only link. So yeah, that's it guys. That's how you make birthday invitations. And if this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to this channel. Bye.